Ever feel like getting your first real estate wholesale deal is harder than finding Waldo in a striped shirt convention? Well, not anymore. In today's video, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide to land your first deal, even if you have zero experience and no budget. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to get started today. The key to success in real estate wholesaling is knowing yourself. Are you a visionary or an integrator? Don't worry if you don't know what that means yet. I'll explain it all, and once we figure out which one you are, I'll show you the exact strategy that will work best for you. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about what it means to be a visionary or an integrator. These terms come from the book Rocket Fuel by Gino Wickman and Mark C. Winters, which is a must-read for anyone looking to build a successful business. A visionary is someone who thrives on big ideas and creative solutions. You're the type of person who loves to think about the future and come up with innovative ways to get there. You're great at building relationships and inspiring people, but you might struggle with the details and staying focused. Think of a visionary as a chef. Dreams up a 5-star dish, but forgets they need to boil the water. On the other hand, an integrator is the person who brings those ideas to life. You're organized, detail-oriented, and thrive on structure. You're the one who makes sure that the train runs on time and everything is executed flawlessly. If the visionary is the chef, the integrator is the sous chef who makes sure the kitchen doesn't burn down while the chef experiments with truffle foam. Here's why this matters. Knowing which one you are will determine the best strategy for getting your first wholesale deal. Visionaries excel at building relationships, so the direct-to-agent method is a much better for you. Integrators, on the other hand, shine when it comes to creating systems, so the micro-flipping strategy will play to your strengths. Let's break down each one in detail. And also, if you want like a simple and quick, easy test to see which one you are, you can just Google Rocket Fuel Integrator Visionary Test, and their company will give you a free, simple test to figure out which one you are in that moment. Method number 1, direct to agent. If you are visionary, this is the strategy meant for you. Direct to agent is all about building relationships with real estate agents to find off-market deals. And the best part, it costs absolutely nothing. You don't need a marketing budget, just your phone and some hustle. Obviously, it's great to do direct to seller as well if you're this type, but that costs money. This way is free, and we're doing this for the brokies in the audience. So step 1, find some agents. First, you need to connect with real estate agents and find their information. Easiest places are brokerage websites, PropStream, and Facebook groups. I would start with the brokerage websites. Simply search for brokerages in your area and look for the agent directories. Most brokerages have pages listing their agents along with their phone numbers and emails. Just look up Compass, Remax, Berkshire Hathaway, all of the classics. Next, you can use PropStream. This tool costs $100 a month, but it allows you to pull lists of properties and see which agents are associated with them. And finally, Facebook. Join local real estate groups like Off-Market Properties or Real Estate Investors. Many agents are actively working in these groups. You can easily connect with them there. And the agents inside of those groups work with investors much more than just random ones. Step 2, use my 3-text script. Now that you have all of their contact info, it's time to reach out. Use this simple 3-text script to grab their attention. Text 1, hey, I saw that you're a real estate agent in the Sacramento market. Can you help me make a purchase? Text 2, hey, it's Jonah. Did you see the text I sent you yesterday? I'm not sure if it failed. And text 3, hey, it's okay if you don't want to work with me, LOL. I would just like to know so that I can stop bugging you. This script is designed to be polite but persistent. Most agents won't reply until the 3rd text, so make sure you send all of them after each other, one day after day after day. Now that you have their contact info, it's time to reach out. Use this simple 3-text script to grab their attention. Text 1, hey Mr. Agent, this is Jonah. I saw that you're a real estate agent in Sacramento. Can you help me make a purchase? Text 2, hey, it's Jonah. Did you see the text I sent you yesterday? Not sure if it failed. And text 3, hey, it's okay if you don't want to work with me, LOL. I would just like to know so that I can stop bugging you. This script is designed to be polite but persistent. Most agents will only reply by the 3rd text, so make sure you send each text one day after the other. Once they respond, schedule an intro call. Here's the script for that intro call. You start with a friendly tone, say, hey, my name is Jonah. I'm a real estate investor based in the Sacramento area. Then you make sure they're a realtor. Hey, I understand that you're a realtor based in Sacramento, right? They say yes, move on. If not, thank them and move on to the next contact. Step 3, establish a credibility. We do everything. Buy and hold, wholesaling, fix and flip. But what we do better than anybody else is solve sellers' problem. So whenever you come across a seller with a problem, maybe they're about to be foreclosed on, have a tax liens, or dealing with squatters, think of us as the tool in your tool belt that you use to solve that problem and get you your commission. This is my magic line and does 3 things. It establishes your credibility, shows that you're different, and explains your business model. Then talk to them about any property they might have, collect all the info, and if not, then just go in and say thank you. Appreciate them, because so few people appreciate the agent even if they didn't do anything for them. This is one of my main secret sauces is I always end every call with appreciation. I say, thank you so much, Mr. Agent. I really appreciate you. Even if this one didn't work out for me, we'll get the next one, because you want to lead with such positivity that they're forced to send you a deal. After you do an intro call with the agent, follow up consistently. Text them every other week to ask if they have any properties that might fit your criteria. Thank them for their time and always remember to express that appreciation. Remember, relationships are key to the strategy. And if you want to do this manually, you can do this all on your phone. That's the free way. But if you want this all automated for you, my favorite CRM is SimpleSend. I designed it myself to be able to automatically follow up with people with all of the text messages I just sent you. It includes the entire intro script that I told you in this video, and it pops up on your screen right while you're talking to them. It is the best way to stay organized and follow up with agents, so you don't have to do it manually. And you will eventually need a CRM if you want to be able to do this with thousands of agents. So I will put the link below if you're interested in that. But if you want to go the free way, you can do this with your phone. Just stay organized with like a Google Sheet or something else that makes sure you are actually following up with every agent at least every other week. Method 2, micro flipping. I've actually already talked about this method in a different YouTube video about how to get everyone to send your deals. You can find that video right up here. But in essence, if you're more of an integrator, the micro flipping method is the way to go. This strategy is all about building systems to connect acquisition wholesalers with disposition wholesalers. You become the middleman, or as I like to call it, the middleman. And here is a basic breakdown yet again. Join as many Facebook real estate groups as possible. Look for ones like Real Estate Off-Market Deals Sacramento or Fix and Flip Properties Sacramento. These groups are gold mines for finding wholesalers, buyers, and agents. Once you're in, add 80 people as friends every single day. Yep, every single day. You want to also remove everybody once you've gotten to about 160 people. So every other day, remove people from your friend requests because not everybody accepts, but you have to be adding them as a friend. Then to all the people that accepted the friend request, send a simple message like, hey, I'm a real estate investor looking for fix and flip deals. Do you have any? Something simple, short, and sweet. Then you're gonna need to categorize your contacts. As you start getting responses, categorize your contacts. Label them as acquisition wholesalers, disposition wholesalers, agents, or cash buyers. Get their phone number, get their email, get all of their info so you can know everything about them, what they're looking for, and what they need from you to start making money. Staying organized is key to making this strategy work. Once a wholesaler sends you a deal that you want to market, you need to make sure you sign a non-exclusive joint venture agreement or a non-exclusive option. This gives you something called equitable interest, so you're legally allowed to market the property. The reason you need this is if you're not a real estate agent, you can't market properties legally. What you can do is market real estate purchase contracts. So the only way that you can market somebody else's property that is marketing a contract is by making a chain of contracts that allows you to say, hey, I signed this contract with them to allow me to market their contract. Because in essence, that is the actual mechanism you are doing so that you are not committing a crime. Last step, pass the deal to a dispo wholesaler or cash buyer. Once the property sells, you get your cut. Simple as that. Whether you're a visionary or an integrator, there's a clear path for you to land your first wholesale deal. The key is to take action. Don't overthink it. Just get started. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. If you want all of this stuff automated instead of having to do it manually on your phone, check out Simple Send. I'm putting the link down below. It is all of my systems, so you don't have to recreate them. It took me years to create this system, guys, so please, if you have a little bit of money, check it out. It's definitely worth it. And then please, please, please share this with anyone you know who is trying to get into real estate wholesaling. This video will make sure that they have the tools necessary to get their first deal. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all on the next one.